Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Delray, local and long-distance movers near me. Not only can you trust us with your local move, but also with your long-distance moving needs. Whether you're relocating for a new job or for any other reason, we're here to help. Our team offers the following services: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Justifying the cost of hiring a Florida moving company might not be easy at first. When you see the benefits compared to the cost, however, it can be easier to rationalize. A professional moving team will show up on time, pack all of your things, and move you to your new location fast. You'll have trained professionals to handle your things properly and save you plenty of time. Hiring local movers like 3 Movers helps you to speed up your move. While it may take you a few days or a week to make your move locally, we can move you in just one afternoon. We save you plenty of time and help make your move far more convenient. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Delray moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.